How do you do, Private William McBride? Do you mind if I sit here down by your graveside, rest for a while neath the warm summer sun? Been walking all day, Lord, and I'm nearly done. See, by your gravestone you were only 19. Joined the great falling of 1916. I hope you died quick and I hope you died clean. Or William McBride, was it slow and obscene? Did they beat the drum slowly? Did they play the fife lowly? They sound the rifles o'er you as they lowered you down. Bugles play the last post and calls. The pipes play the flowers o'er the forest. Did you leave a wife or a sweetheart behind? In some faithful heart is your memory enshrined. Though you died quick 1916. In that faithful heart are you forever 19? Were you just a stranger without even a name, closed and forever behind the glass frame? An old photograph torn and battered and stained, and faded to yellow in a brown leather frame. Did they beat the drum slowly? Did they play the fife lowly? Did they fire the rifles over you as they lowered you down? The band played the last post and chorus. The pipers play the flowers or the forest. The sun, now it shines on the green fields of France. It's a warm summer breeze and the red poppies dance. Look how the sun shines from under the clouds. There's no grass, no barbed wire, no gun firing now. But here in this graveyard it's still no man's land. The countless white crosses stand out in the sand. No man's blind deference to his fellow man. The whole generation were butchered and damned. Did they beat the drum slowly? Did they play the fife lowly? Did they fire the rifles over? Did they fire rifles over you as they lowered you down? The band played the last post and chorus. The pipes play the flowers o'er the forest. Private William McBride, I can't help wonder why. Do those that lie here know why they did die? Did you believe when they answered the cause? Did you really believe this war would end all wars? The sorrow, the suffering, the glory, the pain, the killing, the dying was all done in vain. For Willie McBride it happened all again, again and again and again and again. Did they beat the drum slowly? Did they play the fife lowly? They sound the rifles o'er you as they lowered you down. and play the last post and chorus. The pipes play the flowers or the fall.